Relevance is whether or not your shop and your profiles clearly prove that you fix the specific issue that they're having. When a customer's vehicle breaks down and they search Google or ask AI for a local repair shop, the search engine doesn't roll a pair of dice and just pick a random one with the prettiest building. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to break down the exact ranking factors that Google and AI models are using to pick which auto repair shop is getting recommended first, so that you can stop the guesswork and start earning those type spots. Are you ready? Good. So I'm Brad Hurlock, host of the Garage Grid podcast and co-owner of AA Shop Marketing. And I want you to think of search engines like a modern master technician running a full diagnostic scan on a vehicle. When you plug that high-end scan tool in, it doesn't make a wild guess. It's reading specific data parameters: fuel trim, mass airflow, oxygen sensor voltage, to figure out what is going on underneath that hood. Search engines do the exact same thing with your shop's online presence. They're analyzing major diagnostic signals: proximity, relevance, prominence. Proximity is how close your shop is physically located to the driver holding that phone. Relevance is whether or not your shop and your profiles clearly prove that you fix the specific issue that they're having. If they're even searching for something like that specific, a lot of times it's just auto repair near me, but sometimes there are things like transmission slipping or brake replacement. And your prominence is how your shop's digital reputation, how many reviews you have, how high your ranking is or rating is, how authoritative your web presence looks across the board. AI search engines like ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Google AI overviews take this diagnostic scan even further. They don't just do a scan for matching keywords on your page. They read the context. If 5 different local directories or different website articles or recent customer reviews all confirm that you are the go-to shop for diesel engine repair or Euro vehicles in your town, then AI treats that as verified diagnostic proof and then puts you at the top of their recommended list. If your digital sensors are throwing fault codes like an inconsistent shop address online or 0 fresh reviews or an outdated website, Google and AI bypass your shop immediately. The search engines won't risk sending a stranded driver to a business with missing or unreliable data. Fixing these signals isn't magic. It's simply repairing your shop's digital wiring. If you want to see what diagnostic signals Google and AI are picking up from your shop right now, then head over to addi.me/jumpstart. That's addi.me/jumpstart. And we'll run a free market research on your shop and show you exactly where your online signals are strong and weak and where the search engines are flagging errors. Because at the end of the day, auto repair shop digital marketing isn't about buying another one-off service. Every single shop needs local SEO, active Google business profiles, strong website content, fresh reviews, accurate citations, local service ads, social media, and all the AI visibility that comes with that. The trick isn't choosing between them. It's managing how much of your shop specifically needs to keep the base full. And that's digital marketing management. That's AA Shop Marketing. And for those who clicked in late, I'm Brad Hurlock, host of the Garage Grid podcast, co-owner of AA Shop Marketing. And so again, head over to addi.me/jumpstart for that market analysis. Or if you want more tips, head over to addi.me/fuel. That's addi.me fuel for more practical auto repair shop digital marketing insights.